western side of the storm, hence the heavy snow that continues to come down. All right, let's
That
look
big
at that
piece is going to come.
and get you through this.
I hope it don't knock
that
that wire down.
Continues to rage. Look at the temperatures. They're dropping like a rock to the south and west, 25 in Dover. It's actually now colder in Cape May than it is here.
Oh!
Saying that cold air coming up from the north. It's
Oh,
storming in Cape May, that's for sure. And in Wilmington, 24 degrees. The rest of the cold air is located. It's warm.
As long as the cat don't fuck with the camera
We have
on the
some
left.
wind gusts that we can
So
talk about too. They're gusting. Atlantic City Airport close to 40. Wilmington gusting to 40. And you can see gusts 30 in Philly, drops off quite dramatically in Pottstown as the storm continues to deepen.
Oh my God! Oh fuck!
Increase still, right?
Oh my God!
Holy shit!
West to east,
I knew that was going to be a sight to see.
Southwest and then to the northeast.
Is that it? Or is the other part coming?
Delaware County on up to Philadelphia, then on up.
I'm surprised this roof might collapse.
Mercer County on up to Berlin County. Tonight, snow tapers after a heat when you're very cold. Wind chill 10 to 15. There are the snow amounts that's generally what the forecast is. Only 12 to 20, 8 to 12. As you go south and east, and then the bullseye, you can watch it after 48 to 72 hours, developing across Chester County, sections of Montgomery County, sections of Delaware County.
I can't believe it went over the wires.
I'm so glad it did.
So, again, the timeline, the early warning remains in effect. The shore is still going to be taking on to the storm from midnight. The shore.
I don't think the other part's gonna fall yet.
Yeah, some's coming still.
Relentless. Relentless. And it's going to
Here
continue
comes some more.
until midnight tonight as far as very strong winds. And they're going to be still in those snow bands all the way until 9, 10, 11.
Now we have to deal with all the ice with falling temperatures.
Yes.
All right, John. Nicole says New Egypt, New Jersey has over 1 foot of snow out there. Keep your snowfall totals coming on Facebook. I want to go to Sean Tobin, who's in Doylestown tonight. Sean, have you
It was like a funnel that just hit.
Yeah, you know what, Thomas, not only that, but
Like an apple
got worse here in Bucks County.
Here's somebody down the road, driving down the road.
That guy's nuts.
People now without power, and that is because of a switching station or some type of...
That's like cracked in several different places.
They had some type of relay station that went out. About 8,000 people without power right now.
The barn actually looks like it's going in a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I was going to park my car in there if there was a spot, but I didn't.
No, it definitely looks like it's Boeing. Do they have a car in there?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
The power is up. The power is running. Again, emergency management letting people
They
know.
shoveled that last time it got too high.
Beyond that, any public safety issues.
They shoveled what?
You need to call your local municipality emergency
They
management.
shoveled that roof.
Making it clear not to call them directly. Go to your emergency. Go to your, at least to your local police or fire in your local municipality. If you don't have, if that's not the case, then at least call the emergency number. At least 911. Right now, the situation getting a little bit worse here in Doylestown. I'll tell you what, guys, if I could show you, if we could swing around here, I'm going to try and walk over here, and you get an idea of this snow, this wet, heavy snow. You can see it building up here on the branches.
Does
You can see this.
is your mom, have you called your mom today?
On that, you can see how that was built up.
I'm gonna call her right now.
And you can see just the,
Yeah.
occasionally this comes down.
I wanna make sure she's okay.
Just chunks.
She's got power.
That people, you see it hitting people on the street. You see it hitting cars and
camera off?
things such as that.
No.
So, right now, the snow coming down pretty
Hello?
heavy flakes.
Hi.
And power outages have begun here in Bucks County. So
We're snowed in. Oh my gosh.
It's not even snowing here.
Yeah, it's not even
like you're seeing
snowing.
elsewhere.
It's not snowing anymore. It's stopped.
The winds will pick up there as well, but not as strong as
I'm joking. It's like a freaking blizzard.